Gee, that's lit.
So where's the key buried?
The key isn't buried. It's in the cave behind the waterfall.
Don't worry, buddy. We'll find it in no time.
No, you stay here, okay? You've done enough already.
Life is such a drag without your cell phone.